Bajaj Finance is the next counter. Venkatramani is calling us from Bengaluru and asking whether this is the right time to buy or should he wait for more time. The holding period is for 15 months. Okay, so it's a reasonable time frame. It's now more affordable as well. You can easily pick up 100,000 shares, not 100,000, but 100 or 1,000 shares of Bajaj Finance. Samir is laughing quite happily there. Samir, what is the view?
No. If somebody can pick up 100,000 shares at this price, we don't really need to give him information. We should be collecting information from him. But having said that, yes, the change in price really doesn't change anything in the valuations because at the end of the day, the earnings, the number of shares, everything comes down. I mean, the number of shares goes up, the earnings, EPS, everything comes down. So now let's talk about the brass tacks valuation. So Bajaj Finance has actually had a very stellar run from 6,000 to about 9,000, now 600 to 900. And that has pulled valuations back again into kind of premium zone. Now, if you look at it on historical basis, yes, it continues to trade at a discount to what the historical PE price to book valuation was. But you got to realize that at that time, Bajaj Finance was a much smaller unit, right? When it was traded 10 times and 11 times price to book. So growth was a lot easier to do at 40-50%. Now on a book size of 2 lakh plus crores, it's not going to be that easy to keep growing at that aggressive pace. So growth is going to taper, and hence we believe that valuation expansion from here is difficult. You're purely playing on the fact that he's going to be able to grow at a decent pace and keep NPAs under check. If he's able to do that, maybe you can get a 15-20% CAGR return. But from this price, I mean, I would not be recommending a buy at this price. I would say if it comes closer to 750, 800 rupees, that would be a good entry point to generate decent returns over a period of time with low risk. So wait a bit, wait for a correction if it comes. If not, find other stocks in the NBFC space, which may be attractive. I think HDB is coming up for listing, something worth looking at. Part of the HDFC stable NBFC company. We believe growth there will also be quite good. So something like that would be more of an interest or to look at this point than Bajaj Finance.
All right. So that's with regards to where Bajaj Finance stands. Our next